Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 I-beam equipment trailer. At the front, we do have a heavy-duty jack, as well as your I-beam frame. This trailer does have a front chain basket, as well as step-up points, D-rings. There's a front passenger side tire mount. This trailer has pressure treated wood flooring. There are stake pockets along the side of your trailer. There are diamond plate fenders. This trailer does have 16-inch Kenda tires and steel wheels. This trailer does have 5-foot stand-up ramps that are attached with the pin arm lock. There is a 2-foot dovetail on this equipment trailer, as well as LED brake lights. We have the ramps. This I-beam does have a corrosion repair paint as well. This trailer does have two 7,000-pound axles. Once again, this is a 7x20 I-beam equipment trailer with 5-foot stand-up ramps and 7K axles. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.